highlight some incredible benefits of moringa. Moringa leaves are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Not only are you promoting your health, but you are also contributing to a healthier planet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share it. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: organic moringa farming. Moringa, also known as the drumstick tree or miracle tree, is not just a superfood but also a versatile plant that can thrive in various climates. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of organic moringa farming and learn how to cultivate it sustainably. So, let's dive in. Benefits of moringa. Before we delve into farming practices, let's highlight some incredible benefits of moringa. Moringa leaves are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They provide a powerful nutritional boost, supporting overall health and well-being. Additionally, moringa is known for its medicinal properties, including anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects. Sustainable farming practices. Now, let's talk about organic moringa farming. Adopting sustainable practices not only benefits the environment but also enhances the quality of the produce. Here are some key steps for organic moringa farming. Step 1. Choosing the right variety. Start by selecting a suitable moringa variety for your region. Consider factors such as climate, soil type, and water availability. This ensures better adaptability and yield. Step 2. Natural fertilizers. Avoid synthetic fertilizers and opt for organic alternatives. Compost, well-rotted manure, and organic matter can enhance soil fertility naturally, promoting healthy moringa growth. Step 3. Companion planting. Practice companion planting to deter pests naturally. Plants like marigold and neem act as natural repellents, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Step 4. Water conservation. Moringa is known for its drought-resistant qualities, but proper watering is still crucial, especially during the initial stages. Implement water-saving techniques like mulching to retain soil moisture. Harvesting and pruning. Now, let's discuss the harvesting and pruning techniques for optimal moringa production. Step 1. Harvesting leaves. Harvest moringa leaves once the plant reaches a sufficient height, typically around 1.5 to 2 meters. Harvesting should be done in the morning for the best nutrient retention. Step 2. Pruning for bushiness. Regular pruning encourages bushier growth and more leaf production. Trim the top branches to encourage lateral growth and create a fuller, more productive moringa tree. Conclusion. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of organic moringa farming. By adopting sustainable practices, not only are you promoting your health, but you are also contributing to a healthier planet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share it.